Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about a forever topic that everyone is concerned about. This will be a total mind changing, so please watch it to the end and see if you are one of them. First of all, let's throw out a question. How to lose fat? You must got a lot to say. Let's make it easy then clear to understand. As everybody knows, losing fat requires a combination of healthy diet, doing regular exercise, and also lifestyle adjustment. Here's some steps you might try before.
First of all, pay attention to where you eat. Create a calorie deficit. To lose fat, you need to consume fewer calories than your body burns. Calculate your daily calorie needs and aim to create a moderate calories deficit by adjusting your diet and increasing physical activity. Follow a balanced diet. Focus on consuming whole, nutrient-dense foods such as fruit, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Limit processed foods, sugary beverages, and foods high in saturated and trans fats. Aim for portion control and mindful eating. Increase protein intake. Including an adequate amount of protein in your diet can help with fat loss. Protein helps to increase satiety, preserve muscle mass, and boost metabolism. Good sources of protein include lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, legumes, and dairy products. Solution 2. Training and exercise. Apart from diet, training and exercise are necessary. Incorporate strength training. Resistance training or strength training exercise helps to build and maintain lean muscle mass. Muscles burn more calories at rest than fat, so increasing muscle mass can boost your metabolism and aiding fat loss. Include exercise that target major muscle groups in your routine, such as weightlifting, body weight exercise, or using resistance bands. Engage in cardiovascular exercise. Cardiovascular or aerobic exercise can help burn calories and improve cardiovascular health. Incorporate activities such as brisk walking, jogging, cycling, swimming, or aerobic classes into your routine. Aim for at least 150 minutes for moderate intensity cardio exercise per week. Solution 3. A healthy lifestyle is the key. Also, a healthy lifestyle matters too. Stay consistent and be patient. Sustainable fat loss takes time and consistency. Set realistic goals and focus on making gradual, long-term changes to your lifestyle. Avoid crash diets or extreme measures that can be difficult to maintain and may harm your health. Prioritize sleep and manage stress. Sufficient sleep and stress management are crucial for overall health and weight management. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night and incorporate stress-reducing practices such as meditation, yoga, or hobbies you enjoy. And last but not the least, if you have tried them all but still cannot get the good results, then don't forget to do it through the most advanced beauty technology. Using the technology is the faster way, but what we choose is the most important thing. I will see you guys in the next video talking about technology, about how we get our ideal body by using the most advanced technology of body sculpting. So stay tuned and please give us a big thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more real contents. Also, we'd like to see your comments below.